right, so it's recording. All right, welcome to the 2021 Research Symposium. I'm Professor Kenyatta Weathersby. We do have a research team today. We're going to be researching the life, the age of a coin. All right, and the research team is going to be introducing themselves. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Gio, and in early 2020, the US, like the rest of the world, was faced with the COVID-19 pandemic. During this pandemic, we began experiencing a coin shortage. Once we learned about the coin shortage, we turned our attention to the process of coin circulation and began gathering information in hopes to better understand it. And for our presentation, we will be showing you what we learned about the coin circulation and our process of finding it. Using the data we've gathered, we will determine how long a coin is in circulation and find the association between coin type and mint, and the association between the age of a coin and mint.
The procedures that we used were to collect 203 coins from a variety of students, and then we recorded the year, the mint location, and the type of coin that were gathered. And of those coins, 44% of them were pennies, in contrast to 14% being nickels. The average age of the coins were 16 years for pennies and 10 years for dimes. The methods that we used to collect our data was a one sample t-test, a chi-square test, and an ANOVA test.
Hello, my name is Fernanda, and our first research question is the average age of a coin 30 years? To solve this problem, we use a one sample t-test, which tests a quantitative variable that is being tested by two hypotheses. So our null hypothesis is that the average age of a coin is equal to 30 years, while the alternative hypothesis is that the average age of a coin is not equal to 30 years. Looking at the p-value, we can see that it is less than 0.001, making it less than the alpha 0.05, proving that we will accept the alternative hypothesis. When looking at the confidence interval, we can see that the mean is 17.7. And so we can see that 30 is nowhere near in the confidence interval. Looking at the graph, we can see that the mean is 17.7, meaning that the number is nowhere near to 30.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and our second research question is there an association between the coin types and mint? In order to solve this problem, we utilize the chi-squared test for association. Our null hypothesis is that there is no association, and our alternative hypothesis is that there is an association between the coin type and mint. From the statistical table below, we can see that the p-value is less than 0.001, which is less than the alpha. So we turn to the alternative hypothesis that there is an association. From the mosaic plot, we can see that there are more pennies made from mint D than anywhere else, showing that certain mints produce certain coin types. And as we can see in the frequency table, there is a major difference between the different mints and coin types, proving that there is a relationship between the types of coins that a mint will produce. Thus, there is an association.
Hey, my name is Ayush, and for our third question, is there an association between the age and mint? For our null hypothesis, we said that there is no association between the age and mint, and for the alternative hypothesis, we said that there is an association between the age and mint. And for this question, we used the ANOVA test and the Duncan test. As you can see from the ANOVA test, we got a p-value of less than 0.0001. And as you can see from the Duncan test, there's two different separate bars, which concludes that there is an association between age and mint. And for the conclusion, the average age of a coin is not 30 years, and there and there is an association between the coin type and mint, and that there's also an association between the age and mint. This discovery signified the differences between coin types, their relation to certain mints, as well as the average lifeline of a coin, enabling us to gain better understanding of how coins function and are made. COVID-19 led to businesses closing, which disrupted the circulation of coins. And that concludes our Coin Life research presentation.
All right, thank you very much to the research team and keep up the good work. Have a good day. Thank you.